Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's just going to be a kind of quick little video. What I'm going to do is I have this motor that actually came with the thing when I traded it out, and I'm just going to strip it all down. It's not too bad of a shape, stuff like that. There's some things I want to change on it, like the carburetor linkage. I want to put the sync link kit in it and just kind of freshen it up. I got to put new push rod tubes and stuff like that on it and stuff like that. But pretty much I'm just going to tear it down, respray some of the metal. I have some of the new metal as well. But we're just going to tear it down because this is what I kind of started off with, and at the end you'll kind of see what I end up at the end of go. So I'm going to speed this up, get you through it, and see how good it comes out at the end. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this part. I hope y'all guys enjoyed that. That wasn't a complete rebuild engine like that. I just really wanted to make it freshen up, make it look clean, put all the new stuff on it, and mainly get it tuned and stuff like that on the carburetor, get that link system set up, because this is the first dual carburetor I've ever had. So I really wanted to get that all worked out, put it on the engine stand, and kinked out before I threw the thing and just be a massive headache. But anyways, I do appreciate you guys watching. On the next one, I'm actually going to be putting the motor in the thing. I'm going to put the steering column in there and the new steering wheel and get that all buttoned up. And I'm probably going to do my first ride in the thing. So y'all guys stay tuned. I appreciate it.